Deleting Windows Update files in Windows 11 can help free up space and potentially improve system performance. Here's how you can do it. Using Disk Cleanup. Press Windows key plus S, type Disk Cleanup. And select the matching result. Choose the drive where Windows is installed, usually C, and click OK. Click on Clean up System Files. Check the box next to Windows Update Cleanup or previous Windows installations and any other files you want to delete. Click OK to delete files. Deleting Windows Update Cache. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and hit Enter. Scroll down and locate Windows Update in the list of services. Right-click on Windows Update and select Stop. Minimize the services window. Press Windows key plus E to open File Explorer. Navigate to C:\Windows\softwaredistribution/download. Select all files and delete them. You may need administrative privileges. Go back to the Services window. Right-click on Windows Update, and select Start to restart the service. Always be cautious when deleting system files. Ensure you only delete files related to Windows updates to avoid causing any issues with your system.